Yeah, good evening.
मैं आ गया छुट्टी लेके सर.
Okay, good. Adil ji, very good.
आप बोले मैं सर से देखा वहां से काम खत्म हो गया आ गया. अच्छा मैं तो अटेंड कर.
ऐसा ही जोश होना चाहिए मैथ सीखने के लिए.
ऑफिस से भागने के भागे. ठीक है.
Very good. And Janvi, how are you?
Good evening, sir. I'm fine.
Good evening. So, how was yesterday's session?
It was great.
Very good. And have you tried any shape?
Yes, I tried a lot of two-dimensional.
Have you uploaded in?
Yeah, I uploaded it.
But okay, I have not checked. I think no notice has come to me. I will check it later.
Okay, sir.
So, what you have done? What figures you have drawn?
Sir, I have done right angle, triangle, isosceles triangle, square, rectangle, parallelogram, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, and concave polygon.
Very good. So, can you demonstrate it today's class?
So what?
Can you teach us?
Yeah, sir, I can surely do that.
So try. Can you make your screen?
I'll screen share and I'll explain
Okay.
how.
You try once.
Yeah, I will open it.
You try to share.
Sir, I need to open using my laptop. I did it on my laptop, so I need to.
You always you work with laptop because you have to practice. No, without practice, you will forget everything.
Actually, sir, she has opened this Zoom on the tablet and she's working on the laptop.
Okay. I got it. Okay, good.
But for sharing, she has to open it on the laptop.
Yes. So, Adil ji.
hello, हाँ बोलिए.
You see, she is Janvi. She studies in class 9, and she left school, and she is practicing mathematics in at home, and almost everything here she has completed.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
I'm
father of Janvi, and
okay.
Yeah, so I'm her discussion partner.
Okay.
Now, Adil ji, Arvind ji, Mr. Adil ji
I myself introduce myself also.
You can introduce yourself.
Deputy Engineer of Government of Odisha, Urban Department.
Okay.
And done in MTech in engineering.
From where?
Got interested from NIT in Nagpur.
Okay. I think it used to be REC, no, initially?
No. Now on in service I had gone. 2005 I had done.
Okay.
On job period I have done MTech.
Okay. Very good.
And Chanchal, I met in Chanchal in Bombay. From that day I interested interact with each other. I also interested to search some learned person. That day we met, and time to time also I discussed with Chanchal sir and learn very good things.
Right. Mathematics is very interesting thing, and
yes,
everything what we do in our real world involves mathematics.
So let me check where is Mandar.
Yeah.
So, concept will be it, yeah. I will also hit.
Hello.
Please move
Hello.
your chair. Can you move your chair? Yeah. It was really simple. Wait a second. I just joined some charts. Yeah, and I see what I did.
So you made the coordinates.
Not coordinates, dots, and then it automatically joined. I went select data and
Okay, then-
yeah,
So,
उसमें
good evening, Mandar.
Good evening, sir.
Hello,
How
Mr.
are
Mandar.
you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Have you done any shape?
Yeah, sir. I posted it on Google Classroom, na sir.
Okay, good. I have not got any notification, so I have not checked. I check now, and
Okay.
and today we will start from there. And today I think Janvi will start the session. Can you do?
So please accept the. I have joined the
Okay.
meeting, but okay, thank you, sir.
Now you can share your screen.
Yeah,
Now is it okay?
yeah. I muted myself.
Sir, can you give the recording permission? We can also record the session.
Recording permission already given, I think.
No, sir. It is not there.
So when we click record button,
It is said that please request recording permission from the meeting host.
So is
Yeah.
there any option for that? How
I
I
think-
can do? Because what I remember, I have given the option in setting, but how to?
Okay. But maybe
I'll check again how we can. Can you ask the permission? Something is there?
no, it is not. Please, it is simply just there is no.
option to request.
हाँ,
अब recording हो रहा है.
नहीं
हाँ
Right?
हो रहा है.
नहीं ये तो आपका हो रहा है ना
अच्छा
मतलब
उनसे अच्छा
हाँ,
अच्छा
ये
ओके
तो
ओके.
उनके उसमें
हो रहा है
I-
अभी?
if you go to Zoom meeting, there is something called as manage participants,
Participants are there.
and then you can click and give the recording privilege.
Oh.
Okay, right click or something. Here it is invite option I am getting by default.
Let me see.
No, it's not.
Just one
Manage
minute.
participant. Okay, I'll be. It will be recorded here. I will share with you, and next time I will check again because what I remember, I have given permission during setting the meeting.
Okay.
But anyhow, you can. We'll share it after this. So
In that no, in the participants menu, when you go to the participant, there is
Okay.
something as more. Click. You need to click the more button. Then there is option is allow record. In the
when I am putting
in the
here,
participants menu, there will be something as more. Participants menu. Where is that?
Maybe
yes.
Okay.
Yes, enable waiting room, player sound, allow percent
It is ऐसे आ रहा है.
हाँ.
उसमें नहीं आता.
and block. But here
There is more button. There is more button. They say, and then option to allow recording.
can you share your screen? Can you share?
Just 1 minute. Where is your screen?
Share screen.
Share the screen. Host disabled participant screen sharing.
So is there any option?
So are you working on a touch जैसे Android or Microsoft?
No, I am working in laptop. No.
So I think so. There are some क्या बोलते हैं, participants are there would be small rectangular structure at the top, and there would be a lot of all the participants would be there.
Right side.
So I think so. This if you click this 3 buttons. I suppose here it would show up. I think so. See, ऐसे करके.
Yeah.
Maybe the host can only do this. I'm not sure.
Stop video. Make host. Make host is there. I am making you host, but there is no button for recording. I have made you host, and
Okay.
now I think you can share your screen.
Share screen. No, host disabled participant screen sharing.
है.
It is still showing that.
You are now host. Okay. You have okay. Your laptop. I have enabled it in. I think in mobile.
Okay.
Okay, so there would be Janvi Garg in capital. Janvi Garg in capital.
Yeah, but I could not. This video and audio is not active. You activate your video and audio in laptop.
Okay, sir.
Sir, why
Now
don't
it
you
is
why don't
okay.
you try Google Meet, which is much better than this Zoom?
Google Meet. There is no provision for
जूम सर अच्छा
recording.
है. जूम सर अच्छा है. हाँ, जूम सर अच्छा है. एक्चुअली क्लैरिटी पिक्चर जूम में अच्छा रहता है सर.
Yeah.
And there is no provision for recording in Meet.
Okay.
Yeah. Sir, what you can do is that you can use FreeCam 8 and then you can record.
Which one?
FreeCam 8, it's a recording software.
But will it record the audio also?
Recording we will be doing later. Can you share, Janvi? Can you share your screen? You try that. No?
No, sir. Sir, let me send you the screenshot of the issue.
Wait a second. Maybe.
Screenshot भेज दो ना सर को.
Allow record. देखो यहाँ से कर सकती हूँ. यहाँ से record. देखो हो गया शुरू.
ये कैसे?
Because सर ने मुझे यहाँ पे host बना दिया.
अच्छा.
He was not able to distinguish. between.
Now you have to make.
Sir, capital Janvi Garg है ना, उसको आप बना दो.
You see the problem. I now I understand the problem. Now you are host in your mobile. So
Yes.
Yeah.
So you select there and you make me host, or you can make you host in from your, because now I am disabled.
Sir, okay, I have created my
Yeah, you do. Yes.
host. I made.
Yeah.
I made.
Very good.
So how?
Okay. 2 है ना, तो you created another. चलो now. Janvi is the lecturer.
Very good. Welcome, sir. Welcome, madam. Now you are madam. So you start from point.
Point, okay. Just a second.
You start from point. You can show once how you have made all these graphs. You can show us triangle. Then second one, third one. You just click on your. You show shape.
Okay, one. Okay, should I start from? 1 minute. Let me mute it.
You click on the worksheets.
Okay, no, I'm. My audio. Just a second.
Today we will be after 40 minutes it will disconnect. So after 40 minutes we will again establish another session. We will take 10 to 15 minutes break and we will start after that. Okay, I will share another Zoom link with you.
Okay, sir. So should I start with triangle?
No, first you show your shapes, what you have done. You just click on your worksheets At
Okay,
bottom, worksheets you triangle 2 square. Just
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
right?
Yeah,
So this
this
is
is my
another
first
triangle.
my
Yeah,
second triangle.
and then square, and
You
then square. Just show
Uh,
all the shapes you have created.
Yeah, this is the square, this is a rectangle,
Yeah.
this is parallelogram, this is the pentagon,
Very good.
this is the hexagon.
Hmm.
My heptagon
No
wasn't,
issue. It is a
uh,
heptagon. It is not regular heptagon. Okay.
yeah, it was irregular. And my octagon is also
So very
irregular.
good.
And this is my concave polygon. Concave,
Yes,
where
yes.
two sides are like this.
So
So
now
these are
you
also
start
shaped.
with a point. Start a new worksheet with a point.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so let me create a point.
To take a new worksheet.
Yeah, I've taken a new worksheet.
And Janvi also has a good typing speed,
Okay, very good.
around 90.
Yes, yes. I wish I have told her to purchase all the books from class 1 to 12, and after seeing her reply on this quadratic equation, no, roots and
Right.
coefficient relationship, then I am suggesting you to purchase that book, Higher Engineering Mathematics by Dr. B.S. Grewal.
Okay, which one? Higher engineering?
Mathematics,
Okay.
Dr. B.S. Grewal.
So this is the point that
This
I've
book's
created.
available in Amazon also. You can order through Amazon.
I will order it immediately.
Which is the book name?
Higher engineering mathematics.
Yes. So we'll consult that book. Start with the school books, and then we'll
Right.
go up to those books. So you open a new worksheet, Janvi.
Yeah, I opened a new worksheet and I
No, it
created.
is showing triangle. It is showing triangle for us.
Where? Oh, I don't know how. Okay, wait a second. Yeah, there is a problem that I face. Let me open here only then.
Yes.
Yeah, I faced a problem. I created, but it shared only this screen.
Yes.
So this is X. Oh no. This is X. And oh no. This is Y. This is 2. This is 2. And then I'm inserting a chart.
Yes.
Select data, add point. This is X and this is Y. And this the point is created with coordinates 2 and 2.
Yes.
So this was our point, and now I'll create a line. Okay, by mistake I didn't. Wait a second, please. So this is the line which I've created with coordinate. The first point, the coordinate of the first point is 1 and 1, and second is 2 and 2. So this is the line.
Good.
So should I create the triangle again, or should I explain how I created the triangle?
You explain.
Okay, just a second. So this is the triangle. The first point, which is this, The coordinates are 2 and 2. Yeah, this and this. I created a point 2 and 2, and then I created another point that is 3 and 2. Then I created another point that is 3 and 3, and then I created another point that is 2 and 2 again at the end. So it connected together. Let me show how this happened. So this is from, just a second, guys. So this is how I did. I selected this data, and this is not really required, but I so this is the triangle. It is right angled because the coordinates
Can
are
you level it? Can you level the points?
okay, I understood. Yeah, using data labels, right?
Yeah.
Sir, so actually I wasn't able to make a line, so I just needed to like insert shape and all that. So how am I supposed to make this line between 2 points? I just use insert shape and I made a line. I wasn't able to do this.
So this is, oh my god, this is
Let it be. Let it be.
yeah, this is
Enlarge karo thoda sa. You can increase the size.
Yeah, you can drag and see, and
Yeah.
you can place it also. Place it at different position. You
Okay.
can select that. Select the levels. Select the levels, not point.
Okay.
And right click.
And I can take it here.
Take it, and you can also place put right click on that. Right click,
Right click.
and then yes, format data label. Last option, format data label.
Position.
Yeah, then I think there
Below.
will be this one. Right side you can see there are many options. So right,
Yeah.
above, left, center. So position you can change that position also. You can.
Yeah. Wait a second, please. Yeah, but why there are two data labels now. Okay, let me delete. Oh no. Why is this?
That
Why?
you can delete it. Simply delete it. Delete one.
Yeah,
So,
done.
so no issue for that. So there are so many options in Excel to place
Yeah,
all
yeah.
these things. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Now let Mandar draw. Mandar was telling something he could not understand somewhere. Can Mandar, can you show your screen? Janvi, can you give him
Yeah, okay.
host?
Yeah.
Can you make him host? Mandar?
Just a second, please.
Yeah. Now, Mandar, we are making you host. Okay. So you have to
Okay, sir.
present.
चलो गए. So I made Mandar the host.
Yes.
Mandar is the host.
So you are now sir. Okay.
Mandar sir.
Mandar sir. Yes.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So I just like what I did was I just inserted lines here. Sir, I was not able to like make the lines like Janvi did.
Very good. At least you could make it. I am very happy to see that. But
Yeah, it is. It looks very good.
Yeah, he did really well.
Yeah, so this is what I made, and I actually made 4 shapes because like 2 3D and like 2 2D shapes. So my pyramid got messed up for some reason. Like all these points like became smaller and they had different colors. Like at first they had the same color, they were bigger, and there was this line here. But
can you show
for
that?
some reason
We
everything.
cannot see that. Whatever you are describing,
Yeah.
it is not
Yeah.
appearing in our screen.
Okay.
Can you show that?
So mandala start.
Yeah. Yeah, this is my pyramid. So because of some reason, I don't know why, but there were some changes here. Like at first, like there were these all points were of different
But
of what?
you did very well.
Yeah.
Where is
Thanks.
the data? Your data.
Mandar
Where is
done
your
very well.
data?
Mandar done very
Yeah.
well.
For
Where is
now, I
the?
haven't put any data here.
Huh?
Yeah, I have not put data here. I'll just put.
So how you have drawn it
Yeah, I am also wondering that.
huh?
Yeah, I directly put data, na? Like
Create without
select
data.
data, add, and you can just do this.
Okay, but how you got that points? The values arbitrarily you have put.
I can do like this, na sir.
Huh, okay,
Like
I got your point, and
He created a lot of points like this.
yeah, actually, I just like
now
I saw where
can you show me your?
where all the points of the pyramid will be, and then I just like put the coordinates there, and then I created the point, and then I like just formatted and used the marker on the points. Then I just put lines there and like the
No, no, no.
writing the data like
He made some points and made lines, and then he clicked on them and changed the position of the line.
okay, yeah, basically this is my mod, my 3D shapes. Now I have some the 2D shapes also, like
2D
the
shape you show. 2D shape.
yeah, parallelogram I have. Just a minute.
You use one file and in that you create different worksheets. Okay.
Okay, like this is like
This is yeah.
parallelogram, then
So what
plus
he did,
maybe I'll have a
he didn't put data and then added data on the chart. He instead made the chart first and then added data in the add data. We can just.
and then another shape I think I had was octagon. Just a minute. New share. Octagon. Yeah, can you see my octagon?
This is also good, very good. Mandar, it was
Thank
very
you,
good.
thank you. Okay, then I'll just like I'll create more shapes and I write all the data points.
So you first created the chart and then you had put the values to make the shape, right?
Yeah, first I created the chart.
Okay,
Then I saw where I needed to put all the points. And I created those points at the specific coordinates, and then I just made lines. So, sir, how am I supposed to like Janvi? You did like you didn't need to draw a line like from insert shapes and all that.
I first what I did was I inserted the x and y values in the cell, in the Excel cell. So and then I did the select data, and then I like selected all the data of x and y, this x coordinates and y coordinates separately, and then it got automatically the points automatically joined and the shape was created.
Okay, okay.
Now
Can try that then.
now you see that you are most advanced students, and in same thing you have done two different ways. Now if you are given choice that which method you will adopt, this is the question, and why you will adopt that method. one method Mandar has done, and another method Janvi has done. So,
Yeah.
so which one is preferable and why? This we will talk about that. Running out of time. So we'll break up after 10 minutes and we'll again rejoin. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think I'll use Janvi's method because it was easier. They could see all the what are all the coordinates of all the points. Then lines also were automatic.
I would
Mandar,
prefer using both the methods because that will give me a much better understanding of the whole thing.
Mandar, you have also done very new things.
Yeah.
Janvi, generally everybody, but new things may be difficult. It is also creative. That is
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah, it is very, very good.
Very
So, Mandar, better know. It is good to learn both the methods.
Both the method, yeah.
both
Then you
methods.
can use it which one is simpler. But I think your method and the method which Sarah has taught, both are both we should know because this is
Yes. This is creative, and so that this is the platform where you can innovate some idea.
right.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, my observation, okay. What
Yes.
Mandar has done, this is very good, unique, and we have not even thought doing like that. And I
Yes.
had taught yesterday to draw a point, and I thought we'll be confined ourselves to 2D, but already he has done in 3D also. So this is great. Actually, this is great thing. But what is the advantage and disadvantage is that what
Chanchal
Mandar has
sir,
done.
1 minute. Chanchal sir,
Yes.
बहुत दिन के पहले हम जब क्लास किए थे 2 महीने के पहले कोऑर्डिनेट खोजने में कोई लिखा था ना कोऑर्डिनेट हम कैसे के मिलेगा जो अंजलि कर रहे हैं ना कोऑर्डिनेट में हमको पाने में मुश्किल होता था इसका जो मेथड निकला बिना कोऑर्डिनेट से भी हम कर सकते हैं वेरी न्यू आइडिया
Yes,
पता
yes,
है 2-3
that
महीने
I am
पहले
telling.
हाँ yes
That I am telling. But
सर मैंने ये 2 पॉइंट्स बनाए पर लाइन नहीं आई है सर.
हाँ, so
आ जाएगा
देखो, you have to select. Just I am deleting this chart. You delete this chart. Delete this. Then go to insert and select that scatter chart. There is line chart. This bottom one. Yes. Now
This
you
one?
delete. Now you select the both the line and delete. Select both the line. Delete. One after one. Delete. Yes. Delete. And then right click. Select data. Yes. Now add. And then series name you can put some cell or you can write also, yes. And then x values. In x values, you select both, not two. You select both 2 and 1. Means E is 5 and 6, 6 and 7. Both cell you have to select.
Okay, and here also?
Yes. Both. Janvi guide him how to select both.
Okay, so but how should I tell? So for click this. No, you don't have to type this. You need to click this
How do
arrow.
I like just do this?
No, you can do like this also, and you can click the arrow button also instead.
Okay.
But you need to select both of them.
Okay, looks like it.
Yeah, you
And
select
series name.
Series name, press series name, yeah. And no, you don't have to write it.
You
need to click this E4, yeah.
Okay. Like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
now change the name from point to line.
You change that. There you type
right instead.
Yes.
Yeah, keep it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's stated.
Now you can label it. You can how to label it? Right click and right click on it. No, it is
No,
okay.
on the
Right
line.
click.
Yeah.
Right click now. Ah, add data label. Add data label. No.
Data label.
This one.
Yes. And you get y value by default.
Yeah.
No, first click add data label. First, yeah.
Now
Now,
right click again.
yeah.
Now right click again.
Yeah. I
Now
then-
select text value and series name also.
Then format data label. Yes. So you see that line and XY value both has come. Yes.
Okay, like this.
Yes.
Okay.
So very good. You have learned. Now the advantage and disadvantage of the two methods that I want to share with you, that if we put it, create it in putting the data like that, then
I'll just stop sharing now, sir.
now you can make me host. Okay, you can make me host. Okay.
Just a minute.
Yes.
Host. Participants.
Now I am host. So I will be doing now. Okay. So
Yes.
which method I will adopt from Mandar showed something and Janvi has showed something. So which one is preferable and why? This is the question. And Mandar himself told that Janvi method is good. Okay. So
Yeah.
we will follow that, but we should know the reason why it is good, why I am preferring that. What can be the reason?
So which one do you prefer?
January data set, the way she has made,
Yeah.
it is good.
Okay.
And you also told that that is good, but
Yes, sir.
why
Sir,
that?
because I don't like constantly need to make one more point and add all the coordinates, and I don't need to
Manually you need not put.
insert lines and all that. This is like I can just create new data, and then I can just directly select all, and then lines also will be created automatically. So I think it's more time friendly.
Desirable in the sense now this data is available, graph is available. Now with the data you can manipulate also. If you want to change the shape, you just change the data and it will get changed.
Yeah, that
So
is.
lot of flexibility is there, and our shapes or objects, we will create object with this, no? So these objects are dynamic objects.
Yeah, for example,
Yeah.
when I created my polygons, different polygons, I just copied the first Excel sheet and then copy and moved it.
Yes.
And made one more. So it was really easy to make changes to the data instead of and I didn't change the data of the chart. I simply changed the data in the cell and it automatically changed. So that is one of the best, one of the
Yes,
good things
very good.
doing this.
Very good. So we think that Zoom will stop now, and we'll
Yeah.
start again after 10 minutes. I will share the links. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yeah, 1 minute
Break
is
for
there.
10 minutes and then share the links. Meanwhile, let me create a point again, X and Y and 2 and 3, and then insert and
And then I'll create some more shapes also.
Yeah. So we'll. Oh.